All right, Algebra 2, welcome to your 4.1, 4.3 game plan. Here go video number 1, showing you answers to page 17 through 19, and a little bit on 26. This is a foiling review, first, outer, inner, last. When it says simplify the following expressions, you're just going to do x times x minus x times 7 plus 3 times x plus 3 times a negative 7. Those arrows there mean multiplication, so x times x times a negative 7, 3 times x, 3 times a negative 7, which I wrote there, the products. Negative 7x plus 3x is negative 4x, and that's how that simplifies. So number 2, you're going to have 2x times x to give you 2x squared, 2x times 7 to give you 14x, negative 2 times x to give you negative 2x, negative 2 times 7 to give you negative 14. Combine like terms. There we go, number 3 right there. Again, the arrows mean multiplication, first, outer, inner, last there. All right, that's how that simplifies. So with that in mind, guys, why don't you try the next few there. Maybe pause this, see what we got. Again, pause this video whenever you need to. Going to try to make this relatively quick here. Number 4, do 2x times x, 2x times negative 3, negative 5 times x, negative 5 times negative 3. Combine the negative 6x and the negative 5x, get negative 11x. All right, number 5. There we go, 3x times 3x, 3x times negative 1, 2 times 3x, 2 times a negative 1. 6, if you have something squared, just write it twice like I did there. 2x times 2x, 2x times 5, 5 times 2x, 5 times 5. I will teach you the trick again there pretty soon. We can do that a little bit quicker. Again, if it's squared, write it twice. 3x times 3x, 3x times negative 4, negative 4 times 3x, negative 4 times 4. Combine those like terms there in the middle. Negative 12x minus 12x is a negative 24x. All right, next one here, 2x times 3, 2x times 5, negative 7 times 3x, negative 7 times 5. That's how that simplifies there. 2x times 3x, 2x times a negative 2, 9 times 3x, 9 times a negative 2. Then you have negative 4x plus 27. Combine those like terms. All right. There we go. 10, 11, take a look at that. First, outer, inner, last. Again, try some of these. I would try some of these on our own so we review this again. Again, this is totally from Algebra 1. You guys did a bunch of this 2 years ago. For some of you last year, should be no big deal. Number 11, 2x times x, 2x times a negative 2. Again, the arrows mean multiplication. Negative 11 times x, negative 11 times a negative 2. Distribution like that, whether it's FOIL or just some sort of multiplication, is going to be big the rest of the year. Here we are in 12 and 13. 3x times x, 3x times 3, negative 5 times x, negative 5 times 3. 14 there. It's got pretty interesting because you have negative 9x, positive 9x, which cancel. Just be careful here on 15. It's kind of written backwards. 4 times 2, 4 times a negative 3x. Negative x times 2, negative x times a negative 3x is a positive 3x squared. And let's write that going from highest power of x, x squared, to the middle term x, to the constant 8. All right, so there we go for 16. 17 is not too bad there. All right, just multiplying. The arrows mean multiplication. There we go for 18. And pause this whenever you need to. You got the next 3 answers there. Page 18 and 19 really are the same thing, so you guys should try those before looking at the answers here. Probably just going to go more with the answers now. Page 18, you're just going to do the first 5. First, outer, inner, last. Middle terms combined to be 17x. Again, on number 2, write it twice. 2x minus 5, 2x minus 5. 2x times 2x is 4x. 2x times negative 5 is negative 10x. Negative 5 times 2x is negative 10x. Negative 5 times negative 5 is positive 25. Just got that pesky minus 12 at the end. Again, 2x plus 3 squared. Write it twice. Then you have, those are like terms, 12x. And you have 9 minus 12, a negative 3. Be careful there. 4, you're not really foiling. You're just doing 3x times x, 3x squared, 3x times 2, 6x. Add that to 5x. You got 3x squared plus 11x. All right, so page 18 is pretty quick. Page 19, I'm going to do most of 19 except for number 7 for right now. You can just foil that. First outer inner last. Page 19. 16x minus 15x is a single x. There we go. For the, number 2. Take a look real quickly at 3 and 4. Again, first outer inner last. And number 5, again, write it twice. 3x times 3x, 3x times 5, 5 times 3x, 5 times 5. Same thing here on number 6. Sorry about that. All right, the middle terms do not cancel, just combine to be negative 6x there. You're going to write 3x plus 4 twice. Going to foil that. 12x gives you 24x. Then you have, 16 minus 8 there. Don't forget about that minus 8 on the outside to give you plus 8. Just distribute. You got 2x squared plus 10x plus that 7x right there. 2x squared plus 17x. A lot going on here. Number 10, you are going to foil. You got 4x minus 3, 4x minus 3. First outer inner last. And then on the right side, you have that 3x times x, 3x times a negative 2. A lot of things combined. You have 16x squared plus 3x squared, negative 12x minus 6x, positive 9. All right, so then we're going to skip here to page 26. And 26 is pretty much a full page there of foiling. So try those. Find each product. To find each product means foil, okay? X times x is x squared, x times 5x, 7 times x, 7 times 5, 5x, 7x gives you 12x. There we go again. Again, we're going to go backwards on factoring here pretty soon. Number 3, 2x squared plus 9x plus 4. When you combine the x and the 8x, 4 times 1 gives you 4. Next one there. Negative 3 times negative 9 gives you 27. Negative 9x minus 3x gives you negative 12x as the middle term. X times x is x squared. X times 3x is 3x squared. X times negative 4, negative 4x. Negative 7 times 3x, negative 21x. Negative 7 times a negative 4 is 28. On this next one, 4x times 2x is 8x squared. 4x times negative 3, negative 5 times 2x, negative 5 times a negative 3. There we go on 7. You can pause this whenever you need to. All right, number 8. X plus 9 squared means x plus 9x plus 9. Notice how that middle term is kind of doubled there, 9x, 9x. That's kind of, seems like that's an important idea. Distribute, or foil, 2x times x. 2x times negative 3, 7 times x, 7 times a negative 3. Combine the like terms, negative 6x plus 7x is positive x. There you go on 10. Here is 11. You get 15x squared plus 20x minus 9x minus 12. 20x minus 9x is 11x. On number 12, x squared minus 5x plus 12x minus 60. 3x plus 2 squared is 3x plus 2, 3x plus 2. Number 14, x plus 5, x minus 5. Let's do this one together. You get x squared. I'm going to try to write it like this first. You get x squared minus 5x plus 5x minus 25. You got the middle terms right there. negative 5x, positive 5x, which cancel. You're left with x squared minus 25. X squared minus 25. All right, and then on 15 right here, I'm going to do that. You're going to get 12x, it's hard to write it like that, 12x squared. 3x times that negative 5 is minus 15x. 1 times 4x is 4x. 1 times negative 5 is a negative 5. There you go. The negative 15x plus 4x is a negative 11x. And that is your answer. And that's all the pages we need to do right now. We did 4 there. That's very good. We'll pick that up next time I see you. This is Yak Math Videos signing out.